Oh, Jesus. See what they call, yes. Yeah. Do. What do you What do What do you need to stay looking on me? Right, sorry. I'll share this and I did have bomb from beside you. My first time eating correct bones meat. What is on my meat?